In front of me is TCL 40R, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use at the top half of your screen and tapping on it to launch it in the background. Then hold it and drag it to the top left corner. Now tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!